Curling short hair, here we go. First off, I start by sectioning the sides from the back. I like starting from the nape up. There really is no right or wrong way. This is just the way I prefer to do it. I'm using a 1-inch curling iron, and so my subsections also need to be 1 inch. Now I'm taking smaller sections from my subsection, and because the barrel is 1 inch, I am also taking 1 inch sections at a time. I like to alternate curls. As you can see, this first section is pretty short, so I'm only turning it once. You can also get away with not curling it at all and starting maybe right above the ears. This will give you less volume on the back of the head. Now that the hair is getting a little bit longer, we can go ahead and start curling, leaving those ends out. So I like starting at the top, doing 1 or 2 turns, and then at the very end, you go ahead and pull down, making those ends straight. I am holding my curling iron vertically. This will give me less volume and more relaxed curl. If you wanted more volume or lift at the root, you can go ahead and hold it horizontally. So I'm just repeating the same, taking a 1 inch subsections, alternating my curls, leaving those ends out. You could take thicker sections and grab more hair at a time. The only problem here is that your curl will be slightly bigger, and also it might take a little bit longer for the heat to travel from the interior of the hair to the out, causing a little bit more damage, but just be sure to use your heat protectant and you should be fine. Now moving on to the sides, I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm alternating the curls, but as I get closer to the face, I like to curl away from her face. Also, you want to be very careful with this area since you're really close to her face and ears. I like putting my hand right below the curls so that if I get too close, I touch my hand and not her skin. Now on this very last subsection on the top, I like to curl everything away from the face, and that is just so that she doesn't have any random pieces like poking her face or just sticking out. There it is, everything is curled. Now I do not like leaving the curls tight like this. I like to run my fingers through, but before I do that, I like to go ahead and spray some texture spray. This is from Oligo. And then at the very end, I like applying this gloss by Design Me. I'll apply it twice, once before I blow dry and then at the very end, and only on the ends. And this is what makes the hair look so shiny and super healthy. I mean, her hair is healthy, don't get me wrong. Her hair was actually very strong. We were able to take her from super dark hair. She has been covering her grays for many years, but her hair is so resistant that it took the lightening so well and still feels amazing. And here I am showing her her fresh new look for the first time, and she loved it. And there it is, guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, please leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you.